Today I thought I'd share with you something that I've been using in Canva for making QR codes. So I'll share with you just how I go about it, and it's a neat little app that you can use within Canva. So let me just show you what we're doing. So I'm in Canva, but what I'm working on doing, this is my website. So I've got an opportunity to display some artworks at a gallery. It's all come up fairly quickly, and I'm kind of unorganised, but I'm going to have a crack at it and get it done. It'll look great. And so when I hang things in a gallery, I like to put a little card beside it saying the name of the artwork, how much it is, and I like to include a QR code so that they can either scan the QR code and read the full information about the artwork, how it was made, and see lots more photos of it as well. So I do that with the use of a QR code that people can easily scan. They can either scan it, read it, pay for it on the website, or if it, depending on where it's hanging, it can then be hung and they can pay the gallery, whichever way, but they can read all the information on the website. So let me go back to Canva and I'll show you what I mean. So this is what I've just made up that I will print and put with the artworks. So these are what I've just worked on, and they all have the QR code, which then takes people straight back to the website. So I just thought I'd go through and show you how I make these. So let's open up a new document. Let's just make custom size. Let's just do a 20 by 20 centimeter square. Nice and easy. So we want to put the details of the artwork. Let's just use something here. I tend to use the same artwork as my background, which is kind of more, which is this one. Put in here, and then we'll set that to the background of the whole thing. It's a little bright, so let's take the transparency back. I go about 50% is what I use on my all my advertising and business cards. So it's my branding that will tie through on everything. So I use the same background. Okay, text. We'll just use that one. Which one are we doing? So it's called Blue Gum is the artwork. Just put the title, Blue Gum. Capital. That up the top. Oh, up the top I've got my name as well, so let's do that. Up the top, about here, so people know who the artist is that they're looking at. Okay, let's just make that about 55, a bit higher, that'll do. So this will just give you an idea of what I would do. So the name of the artwork comes next, and then I would put smaller underneath it. I think I did the others in 15. Let's go a bit bigger so you can see it. So I'll put a little bit of detail about the artwork, which is, the size is what I put in. Copy that, back to Canva, and paste. So therefore you've got the size. Now I will also put the price, which I'll put down the bottom. Okay, move that down the bottom. I like to have everything centered. And then I'll go a bit bigger for that, so it's a bit bolder, and in bold. Okay, now we want to put the QR code in, so that it leaves a nice square here for the QR code. So over to the left here, we go down to apps and then search here. I just put in to here QR code. There we are, QR code. And I use this one. I haven't looked at all the others, but it looks like there's lots there. So I just use the first one, which is that. And it just comes up where you put your URL in. So I go back to my artwork, highlight that, copy, back into Canva, paste my URL in here, generate code. There you go. So that, I'll just move down to here. You can resize it, and you can go down fairly small. That I have tested them and they do work. So you can adjust the size, put it where you want it, and there you go. Then I would share, download, PNG, whatever way you like to download, and it's ready to print. And then I just stick it on the wall beside the artwork, and it's ready to go. It just makes it super easy. The easier it is for the customer to get more information about the artwork, how it's made, what it's made of, as well as if it's these artworks are going onto a gallery wall. So instead of bothering it's a cafe that has a gallery wall in it, so instead of bothering the cafe owners, people can purchase straight from there, and it just makes it easy. They lift their phone up, scan the QR, it comes up on their phone direct to the artwork. So what they will then go to straight back to here, therefore they can go here and purchase. Makes it nice and easy. They can also see, all your other photos that you put on your website, just showing, and all the information about the artwork, and how you created it and why you created it. So it just makes it easy, and the easier you can make it for your customer to purchase, the better. So I'll show you one more time. We'll just go back. So it's back here. I'll get rid of that. So what you do, you go back to apps, search QR code, and that I used that one. I will have a look at some of the others in future. So that one, copy and paste your URL into here and generate your code. So it's pretty easy, and I think it looks really professional, and it makes it easier for your customer to spend money with you, which we like. So I hope this helps, and let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks. See ya.